Hi. Today we will talk about the Sugar Flush Pro. With the best reviews for you, we have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy Sugar Flush Pro. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing Sugar Flush Pro. The first thing you need to know about Sugar Flush Pro is, be careful about the website you will buy Sugar Flush Pro, because Sugar Flush Pro is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is Sugar Flush Pro and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Sugar Flush Pro works. Sugar Flush Pro has several ingredients, such as biotin, chromium, juniper berries, white mulberry, banaba, zinc oxide, manganese, guggulsterone, licorice, cayenne and cinnamon, that act by preventing excess sugar in the bloodstream, and thus, do not allow this excess sugar to turn into fat. Sugar Flush Pro helps transform blood sugar into energy that you can use, as it allows glucose to enter the cells and be actively used as rocket fuel for the entire body. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Sugar Flush Pro, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Sugar Flush Pro, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Sugar Flush Pro during 180 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back. So be safe to use the Sugar Flush Pro, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for Sugar Flush Pro to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Just take one capsule daily with food, otherwise you won't see great results and you'll be really a bit frustrated. Also important for you to know, Sugar Flush Pro has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy Sugar Flush Pro, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that Sugar Flush Pro really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.